Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel, click the bell icon for future updates, like the video and share to your friends. Friends, in this video I am going to give you the solutions regarding assignment 6 of programming in C++ course. Friends, these are 100% correct answers as I have done this, and the finally you have to choose your own answers. These are probable answers, but they are 100% correct as per my perspective. So coming to the first question, before going to that, watch the video till the end without skipping the video, because if I make in between changes, you will be able to note those change only when you are watching the video till the end. So watch the video till the end. And coming to first question, they have given a program and they have created a child class for the parent A class. Here the parent is A and child class is B, and they asked us to find the output. So when I did this in compiler, I have got A for fun and B for fun2, fun1, fun2, that is function 1 for A and function 2 for B, because here function 1 is related to A class A and function 2 related to class B. So option is A. A is the correct answer for first question. And coming to second question, again they have given a program, but this time they have asked us to find the reason for the program does not compile. Here the given program does not compile, identify the correct reasons. So friends, for this I want you to show the proof for this. So if you see this, we have got the error for which line 2, and also and error for line 3. We have not got an error. This is just a note for line 1, but I think this is not a error, so it is not the disruption by the line 1. This is just a note given by the compiler. This is not due to which the compilation is stopped. Because of these two, the compilation is stopped, I think. So line 2, that is cannot declare variable m to be abstract of type myClass, and line 3, what is the error? Invalid new expression of abstract class type myClass. So line 2 and line 3, this is first cause of error and this is second cause of error. So let's go back to our question. Line 2 and line 3 cannot instantiate abstract class, and line 3, if line 1 is also the reason for the compilation error, but it will be partially correct. If we mention line 1 as correct answer, if it is wrong, then we will not be assigned any marks. So let's go with option B along with option C. And coming to third question, they are asking output, what will be the output of the following program. So let's see. So when I have did this in compiler, I have got the answer as C, that is derived fun, derived fun. It repeated 2 times. See, this is derived 2 times or printed 2 times. And coming to fourth question, and the compiler answer given as 12 and also 8. So option is A. And coming to fifth question, they have shown the program and asked which line will give you error, similarly to second question. So once again let's go to this, and if you see this, friends, if you see this, it given an error for which line 1. For line 1 it gave an error, and also for line 2 it given an error. It is given note and also error, and line 4 also given error. So line 1, line 2 and line 4. So friends, for these lines I have got error, so I am sticking to that. And 1 option A, 2 option B and 4 option D. Line 1, line 2, line 4, A, B, D. So mark A, B, D as correct answers for fifth question. Friends, these are my probable answers, and finally you have to choose your own answers. You can go with this or your own answers. So I am showing the proofs as I got these answers. And sixth question is easy question, as they can be done on compiler. So when I did this on compiler, for I have got the option A, B, C and negation of A. Which is this option? This is option D. And coming to seventh question, and again they give a program and ask the output. So when I did this in compiler, I have got C for F1, A for F2. The answer C for F1 and A for F2. So option D. Coming to eighth question, that is last but one question. I have got the output value as 1, not garbage value. It is one answer I have got, that is option B. And coming to the final question of this week, 6, they have given the flower names as the classes, and they have asked us as, if you see this, identify the abstract classes from the code snippet. Friends, I have spent a lot of time here. Actually the abstract class means at least one pure virtual function. See, this type of function is called pure virtual function. So it has at least one pure virtual function. So flower class is abstract class. So we have got flower as one of the answer. If you see this, once you see flower o smell, this has the function implemented. For abstract class there is no function, there only should be definition, but it should not be implemented. But it is implemented the petals function that is in the flower. So it is not, flower o smell is not included. And flower w smell, it is also implemented the function or the, but it should not do like this to be abstract class. And jasmine should also is wrong answer because it is implemented a function. And sunflower obviously wrong answer, it is also implemented function. But if you see this hibiscus does not implemented any function and it is an empty, so it is correct. So we have got answers flower, hibiscus, and if you see flower o smell, public flower, and it is not implementing any, it is empty can also be considered as abstract, I think. So it is also correct. And rose, before I have shown wo as wrong, that I thought this belongs to wo smell, but it belongs to rose. So rose wrong answer, and flower wo smell, it is similar to hibiscus. Hibiscus is inheriting flower wo smell. Flower wo smell does not contain any implementation. So flower wo smell and hibiscus, and finally flower, these three are correct answers. Which option is this? Option B, flower wo smell. Yeah, flower wo smell and hibiscus. Friends, there is slight ambiguity between option B and option D, but I am going with option B as we have got abstract class. If we consider empty classes also abstract class, option B can be correct, or only it should be option D. So we have considering empty classes as abstract classes and continuing with option B. Friends, these answers are probable answers, and all compiler output questions are 100% correct. And I hope you feel the video helpful for you. If you feel the same, subscribe our channel, like the video and share to your friends. Activate the bell icon for further updates. Until then, keep supporting us. Be strong, be happy. Thank you. Bye.